How can prepare khala?
Kada.
Khada.
You can see on the internet a different type of kada. I will explain after completion of kada. So no need to making right now. I will explain how to make it.
Lemon, 1 teaspoon,
सर इसमें
1
लेमन
teaspoon
जूस
kala
डाल दो।
namak. Another one is
ये लेमन जूस डाल दो सर। ये आपने छोटा
तुलसी.
लेमन लिया है।
Lemon juice. What purpose they are preparing this one?
For the boosting the immunity power.
Boosting immunity
Yes.
power.
This containing ginger, lasun, black salt, long, lemon juice, haldi, as well. And it should be boiled for till a minimum 30 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes.
So इसके पानी पूरा कम हो सकता है ना?
Yes,
Okay.
definitely the level of water is going down. Finally, we are using by the filter. We can take it like a tea.
Okay.
So it will boost your immune system. For according to choice, if we want to add some chaat masala, then it will provide some specific taste.
Okay.
Understand?
Understand. Why you are adding the black salt?
Black salt because it is very good in digestion.
Okay.
It stimulates the process of digestion as well as it start the movement in the intestine.
Okay.
So this is very beneficial for the health.
This is what type of taste? Is it spicy like or juice like? What type?
Just black tea like taste.
Black tea.
Okay. But if we want to some specific taste, then we can add the chaat masala. Yeah, jaljeera. Okay. You know jaljeera?
Okay.
Yeah, you have jaljeera.
Jaljeera.
Jaljeera means that substance which are adding to when we are using the butter bowl for taking butter bowl. टिकिया बोलते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं, पानी पूरी ना, पानी पूरी.
Yes, pani puri.
Yes. So the which also containing jaljeera. So due to that, the taste of that butter become improved.
Okay. That only pani puri is very tasty. No?
Yes. Okay. If we want to improve this taste, then we can add that jaljeera.
Okay.
Then improve your taste.
But pani puri mein they are adding chaat masala. Chaat masala nahi. That green color like how can come?
Mint also adding.
Mint.
Mint. Jaljeera.
Okay.
Okay.
Very helpful for digestion.
Yes.
This is only immunity purpose or any digestion related issues?
This is for the immunity purpose or digestion as well as digestion related also.
Okay.
And it also
Crust with only garlic. Garlic.
It should be garlic should be crushed into the small molecules. Then after it should be added into that butter for boiling.
Okay.
So this this is also providing juice.
How many
Like-
garlics you are taking?
8 to 9 garlics are there.
Okay, okay.
Then you have to add these garlic.
Garlic powder.
मेरे रूम पर है चाट मसाला.
लेना लेते
अभी देख लेंगे तो बाद में डलता है.
ginger.
वो स्पून की तरह इसको नीचे रखना. One time in a month, because it require a lot of hard metabolic process for digesting that water for body.
Okay.
Now
Ginger also added. No?
yes,
No. What is this?
in Hindi I don't know what is best to say in English, but in Hindi it is known as long.
Gloves.
Long
In
LONG.
English में gloves. Glove.
Glove.
हाँ.
अच्छा.
This also mashed, na?
Yes.
Okay. Last you mashed. You take. How many you are taken?
7.
7 pieces of gloves you taken. Again add to the water.
Yes.
It's boiled very well. Anything missing?
Nothing is missing. Now we want some small glass of okay. I think it will causing burning sensation.
Okay. So minimum half an hour you want to boil.
अच्छा है.
What is the name of this? This kala?
Kada.
Kada.
Even some women who are become pregnant unexpectedly, during that time we are adding some jaggery also, and after adding
Why adding this one?
this also improve the GI motility as well as provide which containing rich amount of antibody,
Okay.
as well as tulsi also.
Okay. That's only put tulasi and same time mango tree na leaf and plus mango also. Cut the mangoes.
We can directly
एक हैंड में मोबाइल पे.
मोबाइल को रख दो. क्या डाल रहे हो मोबाइल को बार बार? ये कैसे काटा आपने?
Again one more nimbu.
Because we want to improve taste. If you are not, I am not thinking adding this lemon, then you are not going to drink.
Okay.
Because it's very bad in taste.
Okay. Better like this.
So I am going to improve your taste.
Okay, mango leaf you put. Okay, mango why put?
Mango also, they are also improving the taste.
Okay. Actually, what time I want to?
You don't have any ajwain. It is not good in taste.
No, which time I want to take? Before breakfast, after breakfast?
Empty stomach.
Empty stomach. Okay.
Because with the empty stomach, you don't take tea. It will clearly irrigate your stomach from the inside.
Okay. Means early morning.
Early morning after.
Okay.
Means clean up our GI tract.
Okay.
Then you have to take it.
After brushing, I want to.
Yes.
Okay. This is my breakfast tea, like.
You whatever you are observing in that side, this is the best material.
Okay.
Whenever it is boiled more, then it is also going to improve.
Okay.
But we cannot see in the different type of this means toxins. These are the toxins.
Okay. You want to put jeera? No need.
No, जीरा नहीं.
Okay. Honey चाहिए?
हनी है?
Yeah, honey.
कब का है? सही है ना?
अच्छा honey है. हम ले लेंगे ना?
हाँ.
That honey. You can add honey also.
पता ही नहीं लग रहा है इसमें कितना जा रहा है कितना नहीं जा रहा है.
चल रहा है. I think 1 spoon is there.
हो गया? हो गया? 1 स्पून.
हाँ 1 spoon. पूरा डाल दो कोई नहीं. Honey also very helpful for digestion.
Yes, definitely.
You want to another salt add?
No. There ना mint. पुदीना.
Mint is there?
हाँ. Any digestive problem in the stomach. Even somebody having stomach pain.
Ajwain is.
Ajwain can take with the simple water, cold water. That will also clear your abdomen within half hour.
Diarrhea we are giving ajwain, no?
No. For no diarrhea.
Constipation.
Taken water according to requirement of how many person are going to take. Then after we add this is the bandhani hing.
Okay.
Is one small amount of bandhani hing we are going to add into the boiled water.
Okay.
Then we have to take 3 leaf of mango.
Okay.
As well as according to taste
Nimbu.
you can take lemon.
Okay. 1
ठीक
or
है?
2.
Then after I have taken 5 pieces of
Lesson.
Okay. What is means in English?
Garlic.
Okay.
Custard.
And a small piece like that, a small piece. Ginger also we have to add.
Okay.
And we have to add 3 pieces of
Coriander. Okay.
ठीक है?
Elachi.
Then after according to taste we have to add the black salt.
Okay.
Understand? This like what is this? Means 1 chutki is there. According to taste we have to add it. Then honey is there. After that it can be allowed to boil for minimum 1 hour.
And that one.
What is this? This is also added by me. Glow. And so actually this fluid is taken for boosting the immune system. When somebody you are feeling low or somebody you having low temperature, then it will improve temperature within a day. If you are taking in the morning, throughout the day you become recharged.
Okay.
So you need to take whenever you are feeling some low or from the inside, because now corona is going on very severely all over the world. So we need to take precaution himself by taking the appropriate amount of diet or fluids also.
Okay.
So it will improve your immune system as well as the digestive system. Whenever you are going to take this, the exact best time for taking this kada in the early morning after clean up your GI tract and brushing with your mouth. Then you have to take 1 cup kada like a tea, and then after you have to do within a half hour you can take your breakfast if you are going to take breakfast. And if you are not, even 1 day you have to provide gap in the breakfast. Whenever you are starting that taking, you are going to start taking that kada. Yes. So if you are taking early morning, then throughout the till 1 o'clock you are not going to eat anything. Then after 1 o'clock you are going to eat. Then it will also means stimulate your GI activity. And due to stimulation you are feeling more hunger and it is also losing the weight.
Okay.
So this is very beneficial for the health. If we want to add some jaljeera, like according to your taste, like butter ball we are using, some market are there. Butter ball means in Hindi that is tekiya butter, pani puri.
Okay.
So like that we can also make, but according to taste we can add that jaljeera in that container. Then it will improve your taste and you can take more amount of fluid. You like more, matlab. Yes. So this is regarding the Kada, immune booster Kada.
இதுவரை ஜெயம் இன்ஃபோ 5 சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க கீழே இருக்க ரெட் கலர் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணி சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. கூடவே பக்கத்தில் இருக்க பெல் ஐக்கனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. இது போல அருமையான வீடியோவை உங்களுக்காக காத்து